Have you ever worried if you were getting the most out of your workout? Because I did. Growing up, I was always an athlete. I was always competitive. I did all sports through school: basketball, volleyball, cheerleading. I grew up doing beauty pageants. I didn't want any of that to stop. That's when I found the competitive world in fitness competitions, and now I've been a pro athlete for the past 8 years. At the beginning of my training, I didn't take my supplements too serious. And as I started to compete more, I knew I needed to change some things. I had always known about Kaged Muscle and heard of the brand, and I loved what it was about. They use the highest quality of products, and I really loved that their line was simple. Choosing KM was exactly what I needed to take my training to that next level.